Meantime, in between time.
Yes, Rasta, me I tell you, yes, a Curly Locks the voice box with the voice of Muta Baruch and Dear Pastor and Uncle Sax, yes, and I will be joined by Two Locks with the voice of Sir P. So Twin of Twins, yes, with there represent for Robert Nesta Morgan. And the reason why we there I represent for Robert Nesta right now is because we do our own personal research and we find out that this man Ann is nowhere near any kind of pen we sign any kind of legislature for bringing any kind of rule or law we fight against music. And Robert said, don't mind if I tell you the people, say if hold him and every politician accountable for them actions. And I am also more than aware that there is wrongs done on both sides over the years. So this representation is not meant to be a broad brush reflection of any group, but it is meant to speak for and to individuals within these groups. Yes.
So, my brother, do you, in all fairness, do you feel that the PNP is capable of running the country at this time, my brother?
Well, them run most of the people, them, so I don't know that I go work.
I'm lost. What you say?
What you mean? You cannot have a sleepy leader. You have to up and running like Anjo. You can't do 5 push-up when the camera lock off. Asthma that take you.
Why you say that?
Because the man drop asleep all in a parliament, brethren. Him not pay attention, him bored. You have to go home, go bored. You can't bored at the expense of the country, brethren. And Mr. Phillips is a man where me have immense respect for. But him and Bunting, in terms of leadership, cannot make one at this point. I better them step down and get a man like Crawford.
That's an unfair assessment. How could you say such a thing, my brother?
Where I say, watch a man. You have to remember, say, the Honorable Mr. Phillips was Minister of Finance from 2011 to 2013 when them tax party and tax handcart and ATM.
The man could be $4,000.
I'm embarrassing himself. You know, you hear him play one Dovey Magnum song, I know where. Dovey Magnum, I sing a line in the song.